Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this basic bed right here. It's really nice and simple, and this is what the underneath looks like. So I'm going to take it apart so I can show you how to build it. Alright, so I've taken everything apart, so I'll show you everything you'll need. So depending on the size of the bed, you'll need a random amount of tiles, depending on the size, a random amount of these brackets, depending on the size, 4 of these slide pieces. It's exact because this is how I want the size of the pillow, which is going to be what these white pieces are for. 2 2x8s or whatever size, but I'm just going to be using 2 2x8s for now, or what would be a 4x8 plate, and then 2 of these 1x6s, which are flat pieces, 3 of these 1x4 flat pieces, and 2 1x4 red flat pieces stacked on top of each other. But in this case, it's maroon. So first, get your 2x8s, place a couple of tiles. For this build, you'll need, if you're doing it my way, just place 6 tiles, 3 on each one, like that. And then get these 4 and stick a flat piece underneath them. So now that we have that, let's actually get rid of one so that we have the space to fit what we need. We can fit this red, which will be like the part of the bed sheet, and then we can put the pillow on. So now it looks like a bed surface with the blanket. And now here's the tough part. Getting all of these in. So let's put all of these brackets onto the side of the bed. Leave the ends, because we're going to do something with the ends to actually fill everything in. With the ends, get a little 2x4 bracket and place it at the end. And over here, I'm just going to place what should be a 2x4 bracket, but since my other 2x4 bracket is white, I'm just going to use this one. And now we just fill in all the tiles. So you can just place them in. And you better be careful because the brackets can easily fall off, so make sure you keep your finger on the bracket you're placing the tile on. And that's all of the tiles, like that. Now we need to do the rest, which is to make it a bit more sturdy and a bit more structurally sound. So we're just gonna attach some 1x4s and then two 1x6s on to here, like this, into here, and it should look like this. And that's our bed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.